Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Monday, April 10th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here, starting off with the tick US model like we always do. Really, Thursday was a pretty uneventful day in terms of the tick. You did have the close of Thursday close higher than the close of Wednesday. That is one constructive thing. However, do note that cumulative tick is still below the short-term moving average ribbon. Longer term moving average ribbon still fully inverted, heading lower. Filtered tick, net buying on the day, albeit really not that much, and new lows did outpace new highs. Here looking at the tick ARCX model, a bit of a contrast from the US model, that being that the cumulative tick is above both the short term and longer term moving average ribbon. So that's something to keep in mind. Two models are telling two different things right now. Really, for the bulls, you want to see a continuation higher above Thursday's highs, and the bears, you want a waterfall lower, breaking both the longer term and shorter term moving average ribbon. Moving on to price charts, SPY, SPX, QQQ with the 10 a.m. script from Thursday. Thing to note that we did note in the room, noted on Twitter, was the interactions with zero gex in the morning on Thursday. Got a couple of bounces around zero gex, then a continuation higher throughout the session. That was the best trade to take on the day. Rounding out the other stocks here, we have Apple, again, zero gex to P-trans move, textbook trade that we see oftentimes to the bullish side. Tesla, really not a ton of nothing to do there. Microsoft, Nvidia. Microsoft, again, very similar price action to Apple and SPY. Multiple reactions around zero gex, and this one just went nuts really throughout the day. I caught like half the move, good enough for me, but yeah, this thing went all the way up to COTMC, nice move. Then we have Nvidia, really just a ton of chop action, not a ton to do there. There was some interactions with the levels, but like I said, kind of in a trading range, very volatile action, so tough to take for me. Lastly, Amazon and Google, nothing on Amazon really to do. And with Google, kind of consolidation around plus gex, then it went higher. So nothing really to do there as well. Now looking at the indexes with our 5 p.m. scripts, that being our best guess what Monday will bring until we get the over weekend updates. SPI, really on the hourly chart down here, you can see we're trading a bit of a trading range. Not a ton to say here to the downside. We do have zero gex and COTMP. And to the upside, really nothing here aside from the supply zone. Looking at SPX, we are sitting right at P-trans, so see if we potentially get some kind of breakout higher from Thursday's highs, maybe some kind of retest of that level, then away we go. And similar action here with Qs, trading right at P-trans plus gex overhead within kind of a trading range that formed on Thursday. So maybe some kind of break retest and push higher to plus gex is a ideal trade there. Now looking at Apple, similar setup to the Qs, sitting right below P-trans, so maybe a breakout higher into the supply zone. Tesla, really, again, not a ton to say on that stock. Microsoft, not a ton to say. Nvidia, in between levels right now, kind of no man's land. And then Apple and Amazon, AMD. Amazon, you can see we're kind of right at call it a kind of bull bear line, 5-minute chart. You can see that. So if we get a failure here, potentially a move down to COTMP could be in the cards. And then Amazon, kind of an interesting spot. You can see on the 65-minute chart at a supply zone, get a failure here. COTMP, zero gex could be the play. However, if we do get kind of a break retest, push higher, zero gex could be the move. So with that, a couple setups to watch Monday morning, and we'll be in the room streaming and talk to you all then. Have a good rest of your Easter Sunday. Bye.